you dreaming of a home that's surrounded with lakes, rock mountain and a serene view? Welcome to Walmark City Village. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Walmark City Village by Walmark Group located in Akshaya Nagar, South Bangalore. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now we are here on the actual site of our project and this is the main entrance of our project. And you can have a look, the main entrance is just behind me and they have two entrances. One is this and another is under construction on the other side of the land parcel. The land parcel starts from here and the marketing office they are operating from clubhouse number 2. Now before starting our video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 28 acres of land parcel consisting of 17 blocks of ground plus 4 floors, where 10 blocks are completely sold out and 200 plus families are already residing here. This project offers you 3 BHK duplex villamint, 3.5 BHK duplex villamint, 4 BHK triplex villamint and 4.5 BHK triplex villamint residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located in Akshaya Nagar, Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. So basically in front of me is the main entrance of our project and just behind me this road will take you towards Nice Ring Road via Noble City Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to D-Mart in just 2.9 kilometers. Decathlon is 2.3 kilometers away and Royal Meenakshi Mall is 2.3 kilometers away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 35 plus world-class amenities. Like this is the Grand Clubhouse in the name of Gamesville. You get a tennis court, kids play area. Here's our second clubhouse, the Leisureville, dedicated for your relaxation, where you get clubhouse, gymnasium and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you villaments of 3 BHK duplex, 3.5 BHK duplex, 4 BHK triplex and 4.5 BHK triplex villaments, where 3 BHK duplex villament is starting from 2000 square feet, 3.5 BHK duplex villament starting from 2200 square feet, 4 BHK triplex villament starting from 3200 square feet and 4.5 BHK triplex villament is starting from 4000 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and project booking window is open now, and just behind me is the marketing office of our project, which is operated from the second clubhouse of this project, and the interested client are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model villament as well, and then if clients like the project they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a complete project overview of Walmark City Village located in Akshaya Nagar, Bannerghatta, South Bangalore, a project developed by Walmark Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.